Arwen the bunny. So nice to meet you. I'm here to have fun with you instead of Grandpa Kevin. He's out fishing somewhere, so I am happy to be with you. Now, we are going to make noises today. Yay, we like noises. So are you ready? Do you like noises? Here we go. The first noise is I'm going to blow a horn. Let me get my horn here. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, isn't that fun? I love blowing horns. Now, I'm going to blow a whistle. So let me go get my whistle. Here we go. And I'm going to blow my whistle. Oh, wasn't that fun? I love blowing whistles. Now, I'm going to ring a bell. Are you ready, Rowan? I go over here, go get my bell. Here we go. Are you ready? Listen to this. Oh, we love bells. And the last noise is I'm going to bang on a pan. Do you like going into the kitchen and banging on pans? Well, here we go. I have to go get my spoon. There we go. I got to get my spoon. I'm up here. Okay, I got my pan. Here we go. Oh, we love banging pans. Oh, what fun we had, Rowan. I am so happy to meet you and to be with you. So I am Arwen the bunny, and I'll be back to do more noises and sounds and get to know you. So for now, you have a nice day. Love you very much. And this is Arwen the bunny saying goodbye. I love you.